Okay now. Why is all of you eating rice and chicken? Rice and chicken. Eh? Me, so I'm gonna eat chicken and chips. Like Lee. I'm gonna eat chicken and chips. Welcome. We love rice and chicken. Okay now. That was good. Your mom made it. G4, is that for me? G4, is that for me? No, it can't be for me now. It can't be for me. Abby? I can't check it now. I don't want to stay long on this. Do you understand? I can't check it now. Once I'm done, I will check it. I will check it once I'm done. My plan for today is to stream, to eat, and to talk to my guy when he wake up. That's my plan. To stream, to eat, and to talk to him. That's the plan. You, Uncle, what about you? Don't forget to say that. I won't forget. What about you? Oh yeah, now see, I'm just again carry microphone. Are you listening? Carry microphone, then go to CNN or BBC and tell them that you give me that money. Oh yeah, carry microphone.